Good day and welcome back to the farm, my beautiful people. So you don't know there. I haven't been here for a while now, guys. So they are pick. Oh, what's now? I've watched you in a peeps. They drop a head. Right now, they are pick some tomato peeps. Tomato them are spoil up. See what I go on? Spoil nothing. Look at me, I do want to take them off, guys. Nice and juicy, you know. And we have some one part over here, so look like worm of the best of them, guys. So I will search a tree and see if we find a good one. But see there, worm them are going to have them way, you know. I have some woolly gungo plant up. I fall could this, guys. Fall could get all and thing. So I finished pick them tomato here. Show you what I want, peeps. Peeps, some tomato I down one part and there, so yeah. Guys, them and I really say we plant them, but we just when we use like the tomato, we just throw them out and make them grow by themselves because the land is very fertile, you know. Yeah, man. That is Jamaica, the countryside. It's a big one here, so. See ya, peeps. Yeah, be a jump, me a jump. Alright, some more down there, so. Yes, man. What's now? That's light, peeps. Alright, guys, so I think that is that for the tomato tree. I don't see no more. So yeah, go up on the salad tree now, guys, because you don't know salad and tomato are two different breed. Alright, so them here, guys, they don't want them suck out the tree. Need to spray them. Need to spray the tree them, guys. So tomato I done this already. Need to spray the tree them. Slug, I eat them out. So I go on snail, guys. If you don't know on them slug, them are not good at all. Because it make him way inside, guys. When you see the insect make his way inside, they're not good at again. Alright, this no have a fighting chance. This here can pick and put on for ripe, because you don't know tomato and salad can pick and put on for ripe, guys. So pick them and drop them off. And that's how, look, guys. You see, when you pick it and you throw it so, it go back to the ground and then it reproduce and it grow back. You see me? It grow up back by itself. By rain falling, it might not grow up right there in the peeps. Because when the rain fall, it see them can wash along the line. As you see, is a terrain. See, can wash along the line, and then you see a tree right there, so the other here. Because you have 2 meters long, so like it fall off of the tree, peeps. Yes, man. Okay, peeps. So this is our find from the tomato tree and the salad. We have a one salad. These are the only good looking salad I see on the tree, guys. Anyway, I'm gonna drop off the rotten one them already. So I end the beer up. We have some more on it. Before I leave, I will pick those, guys. Yes. So this is Jamaica farm active. We have a whole heap of banana tree. We have jackfruit. I'm going to jackfruit tree in a minute, but give me a second, peeps. I carry them. I'm going to the kitchen. See? Outside door, you know? Yeah. Outside for the next banger. So as I'm making that mongoose, as I'm making my way down the gully, I see a lot of jackfruit on the tree, man. And there's no cocoa. Oh, cocoa, bingo. Alright, peeps. So I planted this root again about last year them time here. See, it's coming on because every time I come down here, I mold the root and I fertilize it, peeps. So look at this. So the first set, I let the first set go. Because the first set now comes so fat. You see the second set, guys? Look at it. Yeah, man, this is the second set again. Them here, I was spring out first. So them, yeah, I go wish-wash. So what we need to do, I go trim up the leaf, trim off them here. All them here. Yeah, man. So the cane can come fat, not on a wall on the tree for grow. Because some time, all the leaf go upon them and it wall on the tree. So anyway, peeps, I got a cocoa tree here. And see if no other cocoa the pint. One is so far, peeps. This is cocoa. Let's make chocolate tea. So this is the only one, peeps. It should be a bit brighter. Probably some of them orange, some of them yellow. But apparently this is not. And see some more coming out on it. Yeah, man. So this is already yet not all, peeps. So let's further the journey. See a banana here? Almost ready. Need about a few more months. So we're gonna go up and then go down. Alright guys, so this here is a papaya tree. So papaya there up on it and some look sucker come up, you know. Yeah man, newborn papaya. And we have jackfruit here. So we have some big jackfruit on this tree, guys. Yeah man, if I remember the last time you see me climb the tree, yeah? Some big jackfruit, you know, man. When them jackfruit are drop off, you know, guys, I head down the gully, you know. Problem to stop them, you know. Far them gone now a bamboo walk. And right now, as I start about bamboo walk, I get tired, you know, peeps. So we're gonna bamboo walk and drink some water. Don't know the health benefits and things. I posted a video on TikTok, peeps, and they tell me say, most people tell me say, no water in a bamboo, but I go cut, I'm alone there still. I go find a way to hitch up the camera and think I don't have my camera stand, so I go find a way to hitch up the camera, you know, guys, and then I go video it and I show you walking through the process and showing us the water in a bamboo them for two. I go shot me my shit, see me have all the file layers in. Yeah, man. So this right here, guys, this is a pear tree. Yeah man, so this now, this are called this whisk. This are the strangler tree. You see, anytime you see them upon your tree, any fruit tree you have to cut them off. Because them are hold along the tree from grow. See it? Look how far it go. You see it intertwine with the tree? And it gone far up so. And the bamboo and the piece of banana leaf I want to come from over it because as you can see, guys, insect eat the leaf, so we have to cut off the leaf, sacrifice the leaf off of the banana tree, and then we'll cut off the strangling tree. Yes man. The peeps, so going up on the coffee farm now, we'll chop out the bush. And there so chop bush, the coffee them are come up really strong. So I go on, it's a plant, guys. Young plant. So we are coffee day. Coffee, you know. Coffee and banana jelly. Guys, we have one coffee bed right here, so one over there, so and one right here, so and one the way up there, so. So there, we are cleaning out the root. Yeah man, cause don't know, guys, up at them place are cool. But I sent Angelia. Yeah man, so I'm going to chill in tomorrow, as I said, guys. So dig some yam, you see me? So I go on. All of this coffee there, peeps. So I chop it out, you know. This is before, I show you the after. I chop out the whole of you see me? I chop out this already. All of this, we see it up on the ground, guys. I do it, you see me? I chop out them 3 beds up, so 1, 2, 3. Me take the big bed down, so because it's a big bed that in a 2 that in a 1, the peeps. And this is one itself, you see me? So it's a before, watch now. Yes, my peeps, you know. So I go on. So I drink some jelly and belch up himself. See that, peeps? Place all clean down, you see me? So we are going to go through that with some bunner. You see me? Spray down. Keep down the grass them, right now the grass them, peeps, so the coffee them can have a chance to grow. You see me? Yeah man, so soon right now I'm fully tired this year, I sweat. Come now at the bamboo walk, you know. Right now, you know the thing go, guys. I have cut off my straw already, I have. You know, go, me have a bigger straw this time, peeps. So, me have a look at bamboo here now. Drink some water out tight. Yes, man, so you know, do things, see bamboo here from the last time, peeps. Oh, like that spring. That's a go on it. A spring one. We've cut out of the way. Right then I pass in a peeps. So anyway, I look at bamboo here now for drink some water. Yes, my peeps, so that tree, yeah. That sound like a nice one, guys. I have to test them now to hear the hollowness. So, you want to chop it up and chop it down, up, down, up, down. See what I say? Yeah, man. Watch your peeps. I'm sure I was gonna say, but just cut it. Look at that, peeps. Look at that. I'm putting my straw in there and showing what I want. Look here. See that? Showing what I want, peeps. Right now, I'm fully tired. Watch your peeps. See that? Hear that, peeps? Fully tired. So I got chop the next compartment, yeah, and get some more water here, Jamaica. Right now, this not even done yet, peeps. Guys, so I got compartment there now. Guys, in case you're wondering why I cut the bamboo, we my uncle use them bamboo. It's a bingo, you know. It's a win-win situation. Cause when I chop it and it gets old and it dry out, yeah man, they don't know him come and take them up and cut them to the size or you want them, you see me? Alright. So I need a straw, you know. Alright, peeps. So, oh, a whole heap of water in the one, man. Watch it. See if I can show them down there. See the peeps? Then the way see down there are the chash off of the bamboo. Off of the bamboo, you see me? So when that come up through this, that filter out, you see me? Cause I want to look at thing that they make like this. Yes, man. Look at thing in that they make like that, peeps. You see me? I don't know we outside. And we are doing some work on the farm, guys. So tired time, I will never bring no water come down here, you see me? That's a whole mistake. You don't know everywhere you go to carry water, but in my situation, you don't know survival, you see me? Always. Anywhere with it, survival. Peeps, come like a fridge, come like some ice water I drink. Fully fresh. Hear that? Yes, man, peeps, so water gone down, I know. Look what I go on. So I'm going to chop out one more of the compartment, guys. This is supposed to have the most water because the first one this, so I chop it out and drink out this. You see me? Yeah, man, I know we'll get back to work, guys. Yes, man. So later to the peeps, we are going to make a way down the Chilani, you see me? So we're going to dig some yam and things, so we are going to show you what I go on. You see me? So now I go and drink some bamboo water. And we outside, I get some health benefits. There's a mush it there, so I'm a straw there, so I'm brand there. We're going to roll out soon and very soon. I carry some yam, show you what I go on, guys. Show you the yam, a dig yellow yam. Yeah, man, fully yellow, guys, fully yellow down that Chilani there. So we are go up on the farm there. That's my mother farm, peeps. So we are go up on the farm and we are going to dig some yam here. You see me? If you have about 100 yam, yeah, man, so that is it. Peeps, so day 2. Don't know day in a great Chilani, you know. I dig some yam now, guys. Okay. The yam that you look on over there, so over there, you know. So I go on. Don't know me and my uncle there again. Peeps. I dig out 1, 2. One 200 bank yam. Yeah, man. So we have some yellow yam board paste today, guys. See them? Organic, no fertilizer added. You see in pizza, that's why you say I'm not too big, but nevertheless, we get probably around 2 bucks, you know. I'll show you what I go on. So uncle clean up the hill now, so go dig it out. Yeah, I'll show you what I go on. I'll clean up 2 one time, so I've been done this and throw back them grass, eh. The bigger stick, yeah. I'll show you the fine type. So that peeps, nice spear that's for catch fish, you know. A nice spray that, you know, Uncle.
Yeah.
Mm.
So I kill on this next day. One life production.
Mm. Big one. Everything a big. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Chew down and beer by itself. Eh? So this can eat?
Yes, man. They maybe have that one.
Oh, this.
Cut off the this one.
Okay.
I can save it back on it like all of that be.
Yeah, understand on this now, girl.
Yeah, man.
Okay. Alright, so what's that, huh?
Never feel yet, you know?
Never.
No. I just get up and me, 15 feet. And God always a guide if you see. I told you.
Want a stick?
Yeah.
Aku lah belas habis tapi ating ni Pak.
Young man. Look. I suppose we have to be bothered with it.
Yung.
Fire, so be bothered with it.
Oh yeah. So yeah, okay, can see by stem. Okay, yung yes. Kakapi saya mana nailes. Alright guys, see all my dig on it. Export yam na my export saya kan tu juk dia yam zin.
Yeah.
So
Market wise it.
yeah.
When the export market you see it. Then yam round leaf.
Tapi saya so far diam ganong na girl. Yeah, man, you have to dig carefully. You have to be a skilled digger and a peeps. And anybody can dig them.
Export it.
If you export it. But if it's a Jamaica now, you know, you can dig it, but you can't to dig it up same way because you not get no weight, you know.
Very true. Nobody now go market and go buy something rich rock it can own neither.
Yeah, look black. I know when you am cut it look black.
When it juke, it have a rip. But no, we not perfect still, no, so you don't know sometimes 1 and 2 piece it still juke. I really broke.
I just shave off the part, you know.
Yeah. This no get no light like beer, no?
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
be on. Nice, bisa yan na sinong box gan. Nice piece.
Yeah, man. Beer, if you no get no light, man.
No lies na go pan the yam. Is in peeps? Yes, man. So, don't know me take yam. I collect the yam them. And I'll put them up over here, so. So we're ready to bring them out the road. Yeah. We have them one place. Look guys. Really yellow, you know? Yeah. tell him again, uncle. Come from town, come plant yam at Chilani. Yeah.
Next time if you don't want to do the whole gum in organic, you just slice a piece item, less piece.
Yeah, peeps.
Yeah.
So no fertilizer added. straight put into the ground,
Yeah, man, natural.
and they go and pray to the Lord, you know.
Natural.
Natural, all natural.
When he provides for you, you know. Sometimes we turn the back on him, you see.
Yeah, man.
He never turn the back on we. And it hurt, never feel none of it. Until the day you're dead, man. Hurt not feel it. So the food always come from the earth.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Greatest thing, you see.
Taste. Nice yam. That is it. Fresh from out of the ground. One day run up.
Yeah.
Yeah, one peep. So yam them, I pack them up, you know. I turn them up and thing. So when the time for bring them go to the road, they're not full dirty, you see me. Don't want too much dirt on it. Although I'm gonna shave it off and neat it up, cause you have to do that for exporting, you see me. Yes, man. That's it. Guys, so woke up on a big piece of yam right there, so you know, I'm showing what I go on. Peeps. Nice piece of yam.
The whole end up now.
They say top?
When?
We say when? Now we gone further down there, man. Full of root though.
Yeah. Bamboo tree.
A bamboo tree?
Side there, you know.
Oh.
And yam root, same here.
Yeah.
Root, three of them.
Okay.
Bamboo, yam, bamboo.
Yeah.
Man, mango tree, this one.
Oh, okay.
A tree root at the right, that's right.
Yes, peeps. So this is how you get a yam from Jamaica, you know. Have to work hard, eh?
Different style.
Different style, yeah. Red dot. This is clear, peeps. What is a turn out in a red dot. If you dig for that, if you dig further, then you can get final backside.
Yeah, that is a
Thing
loam.
there. Loam.
That mixed with clay and sand dirt, so we call it a loam.
Clear this can build pot, you know.
Yes, I tell you. What?
Okay, peeps. Take shape. It's me have a marble, man.
If you have beer, good on this right, you can't dig it out. No, brother.
You?
You have to go for far to dig it out.
You have a fork up, so.
Catch it, so dig it.
Yeah.
Go down to.
Cause you gone far though, boy.
You know, like clay, so me have to go dig it loam, the loam.
Yeah.
The hole full of water.
Yeah.
Still have to dig it out, so it work.
Yeah.
It might not can dig enough to dig here.
Yeah.
But more why we still have to make yam go town. And still send it on the export market. No me alone. Right, if you see all the mule them through, we went past them too.
Yeah.
Some people don't get the yam at town, I think I say it go. I don't know how level it come from sometimes.
Nice piece.
Either a valley it come from a mule and donkey and head.
Yeah. Alright, eh? Where do you have to carry yam from the peeps go to the road, you know? And I'll be a fine, how you call it, grass slice?
Yeah, man.
I'll be a grass slice and I bush them right now, them all uncle already. And they are scratched. And they are scratched like you have a flea.
What you take in our bush and you never took me run gone long time. And now come back neither.
Listen, I'm waiting to sure say pick off everything.
Don't mix with a thick wash. That's an animal out of a thick wash, that's where fire clothes, you know.
Yeah, man. Me know I saw most people do it when they go for golf farm. Spray thick sauce on them clothes. Yes, Pete, so.
Yeah, but if you go farm, come back and then they can work.
This guys.
Until ready.
Yeah, so this guys, these are the yammed. This go back in the ground and plant back. See? So you can produce more yam, but these yam are very organic, guys. No fertilizer added. Yeah, man. You see, some of them big and some of them small. You see me? But the next time we plant them, we're gonna be sure to add some fertilizer. Cause we test the land now, see how fat the land is. Yeah, man. So if you fertilize them, imagine, just imagine guys, look at this piece of yam and imagine if this got fertilized. And this piece more there, bigger piece guys, but this one is fatter, you know. So the EP is getting big guys, so I wait on Brian to come down back cause him gone for a bag, so we can start carrot them. Alright peeps, so yeah, I go man now. So look after jackfruit. We now make them ripe up and spoil. Guys. Yeah man, so Brian done so a bucket of the jackfruit so. Alright, that miss. Wala naman, make sure you bucket of jackfruit na. That good man. Alright Pete, so watch it now. Watch it jam here. Catch it, what's the man making jackfruit and left him? In a gun. You lucky say push him there's like a straight dog in that I go. Alright, so we have one more this so. You have to go na say nakita ko this one I go far right now boss. far. Isa one I go far. Yeah. Alright, so me have to operate with one hand. One hand over the camera. Alright, hold on the peeps. Big jackfruit up there now. Alright, ready? Ready? Ay! Oh, one go on. You stick at each. Alright. So. No, get up in the air now. Hold on. Alright peeps, so look at the one and I can video so after using two on, you see me? I mean I have a camera stand. Peeps so man, watch it up. Yes, watch you guys play slide, you mean just fall. You know? So something you not eat the jackfruit but still can eat, all you can do. You can cut the screw and so like that. Cut off the part there. And jackfruit guys sweet you know man. And they pick them fully big. You see me? So we just bust it off. Yeah man, I'll get working now. Throw some salt on it. And you're good to go. Our jackfruit this guys, the one I can put on for ripe. We'll pick the one that too. Cause you don't know where I go guys, so we don't want left too much of jackfruit on the tree for spoil. So we'll pick them and we're going home now, you know, we're going back to Edinburgh to Kingston. Piment are ripe, we coffee them get some rain. You see me? Cause then we'll be back in the St. Andrew Hill peeps. So we leave from Chilani about 1 o'clock today. Yes man, so we're heading back home now to Kingston. And we picking some jackfruit. Yeah man, come pick up our clothes and everything. Cause we just go dig them and heading back home. You see me? Remember to like guys. Please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell guys. Watch us to the end. Please and thanks. You don't know your side, we're almost there. We almost reach our goal. So help us get to 3K guys. Yes man. We on a roll now. Help us get to 3K. Please and thanks. I respect you all. Respect and love. Guys, we out.